Prove the following trigonometric identity. We have tan square x plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 minus tan square x, right? So here we can apply factoring techniques also. Oh well, we want cos and sine on the right side. So it's better to split tan as sine over cos and then write down, okay? So let's start with the left side, and left side is equal to tan square x means sine square x over cos square x, right? Plus 1 divided by 1 minus sine square x over cos square x. So here we can take common denominator as cos square x, and then we get sine square x plus cos square x divided by cos square x, and in the denominator we get cos square x minus sine square x divided by cos square x. Now this is 1, sine square x plus cos square x. So we get 1 over cos square x. And this we can flip and write as cos square x over cos square x minus sine square x. Now cos square x and cos square x cancel out, and therefore we get 1 over cos square x minus sine square x, which is same as our right side. So we have proved the right side.